Fire and Water is the program that's going to show you how to use the elements to manifest your goals. From simple candle magic to ritual baths and everything in between, this program is going to cover it all. Now, most people involved in magic are familiar with candle magic and how effective it can be. But how many of you are using the element of water to achieve your goals, which is arguably easier and even more effective? I'm going to show you how to program your drinking water, how to bless your food and drink, how to use soap and water to get rid of problems in your life, how to take a ritual bath, how to rid yourself of enemies, everything about candle magic including color correspondences, how to use blood magic to supercharge your rituals, and a whole lot more. I know a lot of people overlook this program, but it has some of the best magic that I personally use on a consistent basis within it. If you don't have it yet, then you're missing out. You can get Fire and Water and other Mind and Magic programs over at mindandmagic.com today.